Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I wanted to do a collage with me type of video. I have been obsessed with doing collage type videos. I did this on my Moleskine pocket. This is a sketchbook from them, and I did this a couple weeks ago. Oh, am I in frame? So I did this collage just from brochures and magazines I had laying around the house, and I fell in love with this. I just kind of ripped papers and put it together, and this is what I came up with. So I kind of wanted to show you my process today and put packing tape over the top of this to kind of seal it in place, and I'll show you how I take off this so that everything can kind of lay flat. And I might speed it up in some places or cut out the audio because when I put the packing tape over it, it might get a little loud. And yeah, so let's just hop right into the video. So what I'm gonna do first is just cut off the elastics. I'm just using Crayola Scissors. I've had these forever. They've been trusty, so I continue to use them. I'll use them until they kind of give out. So I'm just gonna kind of cut as close as I can to the notebook. This is the first time I'm doing this, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm just gonna kind of pull it. You really can't mess this up. And these will get hidden. And the next thing you kind of just want to do is get different kinds of paper, postcards, brochures, ephemera. So I'll just kind of go through my stash and kind of just lay things out before I post them down. I got this crafter's tape from Amazon. It came in like a 4-pack. So I kind of just go along and just tape it down before I go over it with the Scotch tape, just so it's completely flush with the notebook, just so it's extra secure. And I'll kind of just place things where I want them to get a visual feel for everything. Kind of like the way that looks, so I'm just kind of going to move this aside, and then I'm going to kind of take it piece by piece and start with the lowest layer and just take the crafter's tape, just run it. And this really doesn't have to be perfect. And then after everything is on, I kind of like to just make sure everything's somewhat pressed down, and then I'll take my scissors and flip it over and just cut off the excess. And then to get the side of the spine, I'll keep it closed, and then I'll just go down. And then you could clean up whatever edges. And there you go, that's your cover. And then we're gonna seal it with some packing tape. And I just like using this Scotch brand packing tape. This seems to seal it in place really good, the heavy duty one. You can get it on Amazon. And I like to just place it and have some overhang, and then just make sure there's no air bubbles in it. And then I'll open the flap again, and I'll make a cut on the side and at the top so that I could fold it without there being a problem. Fold it over. Make the same cut. And then fold along. And then I like to overlap onto the other piece of tape just so there's no gap. And then fold it over. And then you take your last piece of tape, overlap it, and you're going to do the same thing. You cut right at the corner. And then you're just going to wrap it around the spine. You can cut off any excess tape if there's any excess around here, but seems to be a little excess over here. And you could, you know, open it and close it a few times if you want. But there you go. There you have your collaged notebook. And the cover is waterproof now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you liked it, and I will see you next time. Bye.